Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a denim tutorial. So I'm going to paint the back pocket of my denim jeans. I'm going to show you how to do the whole process, to do the painting, the preparation, and also making sure that it doesn't come off once you've painted it. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on. So I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope you try it out for yourself too. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. So what I've got is a pair of denim jeans. What I would suggest is making sure that you get denim jeans that are really sturdy. So not jegging type or really stretchy skinny jeans, because what's going to happen is when you put it on and it stretches, it's going to ruin the picture, it's going to crack the painting. So it's better if you get sort of baggy jeans, mum type jeans, boyfriend jeans, straight leg jeans, anything that is like not going to stretch too much on the body. And I'm going to paint this pocket here. It's really simple, it's really easy. You don't need to prepare the denim in any type of way. So what you want is a piece of cardboard. You can either pop it down inside your denim jeans or you can pop it down the pocket. I'm just going to rip a section here and pop that down. And I'll pop some just down on the inside as well, just in case. And this also just makes it super nice and sturdy for when you're working on it. What I would also suggest you do is buy a fabric medium of some sort, and that will just also help to stop any cracking, or when you're washing your denim jeans, just to stop any paint running or anything like that. It shouldn't run anyway, but this is just an extra precaution. So what I use is Golden. It's a brand called Golden, and I will pop anything that I use in the description below. I also like to use good quality paints, so today I'm just using black and white paints, but just make sure you get a fairly good high quality brand, something like Daler & Rowney or Winsor & Newton or anything of that sort. That's a kind of good quality acrylic paint. So those are the three items that you need, and then also just some thin paintbrushes or thick paintbrushes, whatever style of painting you're going to be doing. I like to keep a mixture of both. The design that I have today is actually, I'm going to credit a tattoo artist called Alice Perrin, and this is a beautiful piece that she did for a girl called Sophie. If you want to check out her stuff, this is her Instagram. Yeah, so I'm actually going to use a black pencil to draw out my design beforehand. And I mean, if you're not really confident at drawing, then you could project it onto the denim, and if you want to see how to project images onto surfaces, then check out this tutorial that I've done. Also, if you're not great at freehand drawing it, then maybe start with a more simple design. But yeah, I'm just going to start by drawing the outline. Okay, so now I've got my design down. What I'm going to do is, as I said earlier, I'm going to mix some fabric medium with some black paint. I would suggest using around 1/3 fabric medium to 2/3 paint. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those together. Just mix that into the black paint. If you want a slightly more matte finish, then you can add slightly less. But yeah, mix it well together into every single colour you're using, and then you're ready to go. Okay, I've finished the overall design, and now I'm going to use a really thin paintbrush and start to add in a little bit more detail. And I'm just going to do this by doing really fine lines and also maybe some dots just to build up some shading. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I've finished painting my jeans pocket with the black, and now I thought what I'd do is go in and do a few white highlights. Again, I'm going to mix it slightly with the fabric medium, But yeah, I'm just going to use tiny bits just to kind of bring it out a little bit more. So I've just finished adding the white. I don't know if you can see in this light too well, but there you can see it a bit better. But yeah, I've just finished doing the white. I think it looks really good. So I'm going to show you next how to seal your denim painting. Okay, so I've got my jeans all ready to iron. Okay, and you want to grab an iron. Please do not fill it up with water because you don't want to steam your painting, you just want to heat it up. So set your iron to the maximum temperature. Something like cotton will do, or just a really hot temperature, and turn that on, wait for that to heat up. And then what you should do is maybe grab a handkerchief or an old towel or something that you don't mind maybe getting dirty. Sometimes a little bit of the paint may come off in this process. So I just fold up a hanky and pop that underneath. And then what I do is I place the iron on it 1 minute at a time for around 5 minutes. So I'm going to do that process now. And just press down fairly firmly as well. Make sure that you do this process at least a day after painting, so that the paint is just completely dry. And then now it's been a minute, I'm just going to lift that off, just check it, just check that nothing has come off, and nothing has come off. And then I'm just going to kind of let that cool down a bit, just for a little bit. Once that's cooled down, then you're going to want to give it another minute and just repeat that process for around 5-6 minutes. Okay guys, so I've got my denim jeans on. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the front of the denim jeans. I've got a nice little rip in the knees. It's quite a nice pair of jeans. And this is what it looks like from the back. So I hope you can see the design. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon with a new video. Bye guys!